Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Infosys 2025 hiring. The pattern is changed. In the particular video, I will share the updated exam pattern with all of you. As we know that Infosys announced the System Engineer 2025 hiring. Okay, and one most important point, 3 weeks ago I shared the pattern with all of you, but in the today's video the pattern is changed and I will share the updated pattern with all of you, as well as the most important point, I will share the recent exam experience of candidate. Okay, if you want a experience of candidate, okay, who completed the exam recently, please mention in the comment section. Okay, and please mention in the comment section your exam is completed or you are waiting for exam date. Okay, or you are waiting for off campus opportunity. Okay, because it is a on campus hiring. Okay, so the updated pattern of Infosys off campus on campus system engineer hiring, total test duration is 120 minutes. First section, second, third, fourth and fifth section is same as previous one. Okay, like reasoning, technical ability, verbal, pseudocode and numerical puzzle will be there. Number of question 15, max marks 15 and duration 25 minutes. Technical ability test, number of question 10, max marks 10 and duration 35 minutes. Verbal ability test 20 question, 20 marks and 20 minutes. Pseudocode 5 question, 10 marks, 10 minutes. Numerical puzzle test 4 question, 10 marks, 10 minutes. And there is new to add like two new section, that is a 6th and 7th section in the Infosys on campus hiring. English grammar test 5 question, 10 marks, 10 minutes, and English writing test, that is a passage writing. So number of question only one, you have to write the passage, or we can say that English writing test, that's called, we can say that essay or passage. Not applicable, max marks not applicable, duration 10 minutes. Okay, so the thing is, one most important point, there is new two section will be added, that is English grammar and English writing, because in the previous section reasoning, technical, verbal, pseudo, numerical will be there. Okay, two section will be added. Let's discuss about the recent exam experience of candidate who completed his examination. There are 7 section: verbal, pseudocode, puzzle, passage writing on one topic, English grammar. 120 minutes and section wise cutoff will be there. Number of questions section wise, there will be different time. First, in the first section, 14 or we can say that 10 to 12 pseudocodes, 8 puzzle and one paragraph in which blank space will be there and you have to choose option. And in the last there is a topic in which you have to write passage. Okay, so this is related like English grammar test, English writing test. Okay, so like after next day, like after completing the examination, candidate received the update next day. Okay, आ गया result next day पर ही. Okay, so one most important point, first round के दूसरे दिन ही interview हुए थे. So the thing is, interview is also in the next like 1 to 2 days. Okay, so be ready for your interview as well, because there is a technical plus HR interview will be there. Okay, and I asked to candidate like what are the questions in the interview. So मुझसे पूरा HR पूछा. HR means the question, why do you want to join Infosys, introduction, project, internship and like situation based question. But from my friends they ask some technical. Okay, so there is a technical plus HR interview. Okay, and in the Infosys interview you have to prepare your introduction, you have to prepare your resume, you have to prepare your technical skill sets. Okay, you have to prepare your projects, internship, certifications. Okay, that's the most important thing. And I asked to candidate what about the exam level. So exam level easy ही था, Accenture से थोड़ा 10 to 20% ज़्यादा. So the thing is like there is a level, if you given the Accenture examination, so like there is a 10 to 20%. Okay, like we can say that 10 to 20%. So we can say that the exam level is easy to medium. Okay, or we can say that the exam level is medium. One most important point, you have to practice lot of question for the Infosys examination. For that again I am sharing the free preparation, free resources with all of you. Okay, so this is the free resources. First of all, this is the group number 1. This is the group number 2 in which candidates are waiting for exam date and many candidates are waiting for off campus. Okay, so first round reasoning ability, Java T Point, India Bix and Face Prep website. These three websites are one of the good website and you will find lot of question. And on our channel you can search the previous year videos. Okay, if you want previous year questions video, okay, and if you want new videos on our channel, please mention in the comment section. For the reasoning, the resources are sufficient. For technical ability, face prep, India Bix website and our channel will be helpful for all of you. For third round, face prep website, India Bix topper website and our channel. Fourth round, pseudo code. Okay, in the pseudo code, Sen Foundry website, face prep and our channel will be helpful. For numerical puzzle, prep drive website, face prep and India Bix website and our channel. So this all resources are totally free and you will find lot of questions. Okay, you have to just go to Google and you have to write Infosys system engineer, okay, previous year exam question, okay, previous year exam question, PYQ. So you will find lot of questions. Okay, and for two section, English grammar MCQ, you can write on Google English grammar MCQ. There are lot of multiple choice question and some YouTube videos are also there. 44-minute videos are. Passage writing test you can write and you will find lot of passage writing. Okay, so this is the free resources. If you want a specific preparation video, please mention in the comment section. And this is the updated pattern of Infosys system engineer hiring. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.